Welcome back. On this screencast, I'll show you how to make sure that you add this to your home screen so that it's really easy to get to and start adding some pages. So the first thing is let's throw this onto your home screen so you don't always have to go to sites.google.com to find it. Just like anything that you want to add to your home screen, we're going to use this button. Tap on it. Select Add to Home Screen and select Add. Okay, it'll create a shortcut for you so that, again, each time you want to add to it, all you need to do is click on it and you'll probably even stay logged in. So now I want to start adding some other pages. To do that, right up next to your Edit button is your Add a Page button. And one of the pages that you're going to add is your Language Arts page. Another page will be Social Studies, Science, and Math. So let's go ahead and set those pages up. First one will be Language Arts. And maybe you want to call it Writing and Reading. You can decide how you want to label this. Once I create the page, I leave everything else as is. We want it as a web page, and I'm just going to select Create. Now we're just setting the pages up right now, and we can add things to the pages later on. Notice that it immediately comes over into my navigation bar, and I'm now on my Language Arts page. Go back up to my home page, although you don't really have to. And I'm going to add another page. This page will be called Math. Leave everything as is. Scroll down, scroll up, and select Create. It pops me to my Math page. I don't need to edit anything on that Math page yet. I'm going to go back to my home page. Another page that I'm going to add is Social Studies. Notice that everything that's a title of something stays capitalized. I scroll up to my Create button, and my third page is created. It's pretty easy to add pages. The final one that I'll add, or the one that I'll add next, click Save, will be my Genius Hour or Eagle Hour page, Genius Time, or whatever your class is calling it. Scroll up, select Create. So far I have 4 different pages added. And again, we'll add some content to those later. Meanwhile, I want to get rid of this word sitemap here. And not only do I want to get rid of that, but I want to show you where you're going to go in order to kind of change this navigation bar around. Because maybe under social studies, you're going to add the different units. I'm going to take you to the place that you would do that. But while we're there, we'll get rid of this sitemap. First, I'll click on Save in the upper right-hand corner. Remember that cog that I said we might get to? We're going to pull that cog menu down, and I'm going to go all the way down to Edit Site Layout. And once I'm in Site Layout, I have to kind of hold my finger over the sidebar, tap on it, to get to that navigation. And what I want to do is I want to edit this sidebar. I'm going to click on Edit Sidebar Item. Oops, no, that's not what I want to do. I click on Navigation. And I click on the little pencil next to the sidebar. If I wanted to change this, I could, but it doesn't show up really unless you're in edit mode anyway. But I do want to take this site map off because I think that can get kind of confusing for people. And then just select OK. Okay, go ahead and hit Close. And go back to my home page. And that's how you add pages. And that's it for now.